wanna check Philbars first? Okay. Go. You see anything you want? Crying again. Alright. Sayang on Skull Panda. You can pick. Maybe you get the secret somewhere. Huh? What? I'm getting it for you. Balance. Which one do you think? Pili ka na. That one? Are you sure? Super sure? Okay, ito daw ko. Or guys, so dapat si Natalia lang bibilin natin, pero parang mapabili rin ako. Alright. I saw this Monkey D. Luffy na pop-up na malaking scale. So, we collect that. Ayan. We collect yung mga ganyan scale to display dun sa room namin ni Melissa sa condo. And yeah, I think this one's a good addition to that. So, Natalia got one for herself. And then, of course, Natalia's thinking about Niana all the time. So, she wants to get one for Ate Niana. Doing this kasi mataas yung grades mo. So keep it up. And then, sa pagsasayaw, gumagaling ka rin. So, keep it up as well. Okay? Alright, we got this. Are you good na with the shopping? Huh? So, we should go home? You had fun? Huh? Alright. Says next time and ends up buying it. Still got Natalia. Did you enjoy the movie? Did you enjoy the shopping? Did you enjoy the dancing, the food and all that? Okay. Be a good girl, okay? Always remember your brother, okay?
While waiting, I will transform as a white lady. And now, brown yung hair, hindi nga masyado mahaba eh. But like, yeah, I think they're 5 minutes away, so I think we need to turn the electricity off na. So everybody, si Mama kumukuha pa ng ice cream. Ma! Bilisan mo! Kumukuha pa siya ng ice cream! Okay, Loki, I'm Loki scared. What the frick? I'm scared. I'm alone. JC, parang ako pala yung nagpa-prank. Wait lang, dito ka muna. Kasi takot ako. Bigla akong maging mag-isa. Wait lang. Nandiyan na sila, guys. Takutin na natin. Pero totoo lang ako na yung natatakot.
Alia, let's go. Let's go. What?
Please don't tell me this is a prank.